Due to difficulties in water access in Uganda, urban people living in poverty pay as much as 22% of their income to access water from water vendors. Globally, 1.1 billion people lack access to water and 2.7 billion people are facing water scarcity.
Frank Akankwasa, the CEO of Suzy Water Harvesting Limited, says there is urgent need of other options to access water since the current alternatives like boreholes, taps are not sufficient.
We are working on solving water scarcity in Uganda and East Africa. When I looked at the current alternatives, the boreholes, the tap water, when you look at them, they are not so much efficient. You see, we have areas whereby you can't just install a borehole. We have areas whereby tap water won't reach there, even in 2 decades from now, because you need a lot of infrastructure, you need a lot of investments. You see, some of the households, they are located in distant places. You find when your neighbor is 1 mile away. So National Water and Sewage Corporation can't take their water. You see? So now that is why we decided to come up with a new source of water. And this is where safe water harvesters came in.
To solve this, they have come up with machines that create water from vapor, and they both use electricity and solar energy.
The way rain is formed is simply how our machine works. You see, when you look at the way rain is formed, when the water vapor rises up, it cools. Because the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. So when water vapor rises up, it cools. And when it cools, then we get rain. So that's how our machine works. We pull air inside the machine. When we pull it in, there is a section which is called a condenser. This section, it is very cold. So when air reaches, the water vapor or the humidity which is present in that air, it is condensed to its dew point. And now we get the water. After getting the water, we pass it through various filters and purifiers. For example, the UV filter, which kills all the bacteria and microorganisms. After that, we add in the nutrients. Thereafter, you have your clean drinking water.
Mr. Akankwasa encourages natives to preserve the little available water and urges the government to join the campaign of finding more portable ways of solving water scarcity. He concludes by calling upon well-wishers to join him on the mission of providing machines to 100 schools in northern Uganda.
Scientists believe that 2/3 of the world's population may face water shortages by 2025. So, immediate solutions have to be found. Brenda Awori reporting for SETV News.